another 2 weeks have passed, and we got to see our beautiful little Eleanor again last weekend.
I know, it's fantastic. She's so much fun.
And she just keeps getting more beautiful and alert. And you're reading books to her now, The Little Engine That Could.
First book I got to read to her.
Yeah,
Last
and we took her shopping, and we kind of walked around the store while Megan and Paul were looking for appliances. So she's a good little shopper.
She is. Yeah.
So, yeah, okay, we probably shouldn't bore our audience with any more. But,
I don't know if you can.
But they'll see some pictures.
We'll throw some pictures.
We'll
on
throw
before
some more
before the
pictures
show
on
is
there.
over. That's right.
So, okay. Well, we were intending to make our peasant bread recipe, but we decided we're going to hold off on that. Right. So instead, we have a huge amount of items on the table, and we're going to make homemade pizza.
Something we have been starting just in the last month or two. We thought, let's do something different. Let's do pizza at home. So we've done that, and we thought
and it's really fun.
As well. So
for those of you who maybe grew up with Chef Boyardee pizza, my sister Marie would come from.
You're dating yourself.
I'm
now.
way dating myself. She would come from Milwaukee or Michigan or wherever they lived, and it was a real treat when she would come home and she'd get the Chef Boyardee pizza, which is basically the grated, real finely grated Parmesan.
The powdery Parmesan.
Powdery with a little can of pizza sauce. And then the flour mixture. And then she would doctor it up by putting pepperoni or something on it, and extra cheese. Yeah. So we've decided, and then we actually used to make it from scratch, which is basically flour, water, some salt, and yeast, I think. It's been a long time.
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
But now we are cheating today, and we're just getting the box.
We're just going to use a little box of Jiffy. There's also Robin Hood, whatever brand you like, and it is so easy.
Pour that out.
I'll let you explain since you've been the one that's been actually
I've been the pizza
making
guy here
them.
lately. Yeah. So then you take a cup of...
Half a cup of water?
Half a cup of water. Well, to combine 2 cups. Okay.
Half a cup of water.
That was my mistake. It's a half a cup of water per recipe.
Just stir it around.
And stir it in with a fork. Mix the water. Make sure all the powder is mixed in. Well, it proofs.
Okay.
And yes, you do need to knead. So you just grab that ball.
For some reason, mine is not quite as tacky as yours. I'm not sure why, but just a contest on kneading.
This is.
Are you going to practice throwing it up in the air and everything?
I haven't practiced that off camera, so I don't know if I want to really do that.
And then we're just going to
and just lay it out there and just spread it out. Doing the dough is always the most challenging part of making the pizza, but it's not too tough.
Okay.
Okay, we're just going to pour this all. This should be interesting. So we're going to spread the sauce right.
Since I opened it, did you want to put some more sauce on?
You got plenty of sauce.
Okay, so we are putting on black olives, Kalamata olives, artichoke hearts, hot, spicy Italian sausage, and sun-dried tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni. As you can see, we generally don't make 2 pizzas at the same time.
Yeah.
So by putting this one in the oven on a little bit higher rack,
on the top rack,
for some reason, that got a little bit darker, which will be fine. But we're going to share this after it cools down a bit with our videographers out in our screen porch, where it's like 70-some degrees or whatever today.
80 degrees right now, so we'll go out and enjoy that with a glass of wine or a bottle of beer. And so enjoy the rest of the day.
We should head out there right away. So as we do this, we can probably sign off.
Okay.
Too. Okay.
You want to do it? You know the magic words?
I hope everybody has enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Ruth and Gary. So until next time, happy cooking. You ready yet, Clark?
I'm ready whenever everybody else is ready. Now's my chance I could throw this. I don't know what that's supposed to do. I don't know what that does.
I don't know.